Hey folks, what we got here is a Montgomery Wards wood cook stove I picked up from down the street from an old farmer. Had two of them. I'm starting to do a little restoration on it now. As you see, it's not in bad shape, but it's not perfect either. I got a bunch of extra pieces for it. Here's the base for it. But we are going to do a full restore on this. I'll try to do some videos of it. It's a little hard because we like music playing and YouTube will give me for copyright infringement. There's the base piece for it. This will be getting hooked up and used. And she is just a beautiful piece. Thank you, folks.